William Chen from the Heavenly Queen Temple in Footscray. Would like to say a few words.
首先我多謝粵簡路華人團體聯合會同埋馮會長俾我一個機會，今日喺呢度同大家講少少嘅話。我係嚟自 Footscray 嘅天后宮，我哋係一間仿古宮廷式嘅建築群喺 Footscray 嘅河邊嗰度。到依家我哋已經起咗一共係6間嘅建築物同埋一座天后像，而且開始建造緊一個仿北京頤和園嘅長廊，估計幾個月後就會完成同埋盛大開幕。同時喺今年嘅幾個月後，我哋亦都會開始興建一座龐大嘅觀音殿，同時亦都係會有前面會有仿北京圓明園嘅12生肖噴水池。除咗以上嘅建築，我仲有其他同樣龐大嘅工程想為天后宮去做。我心目中正在喺度計劃，亦都已經係畫好晒，準備幫天后宮進行另外一個龐大嘅工程。喺澳洲 Sydney 嘅 Darling Harbour 旁邊有一座美麗嘅中國花園，叫做怡園。喺不久嘅將來，喺 Footscray 嘅 Maribyrnong River 嘅旁邊嘅河畔天后宮，亦都將會有一間龐大嘅中國花園，同樣美麗嘅中國花園。我會叫佢做天池。天池將會係包含住所有中國花園嘅特色，包括亭台樓閣、菊竹梅蘭、琴棋書畫，應有盡有，再加上拱橋、九曲橋以及有三潭印月，仿杭州西湖三潭印月嘅景象。將會喺長廊嘅旁邊興建，預計可能需要5-6年嘅時間去完成。我哋會嘗試幫州政府攞撥款去興建呢個龐大嘅中國花園，同埋希望大家各位以及社團以及華人社會都能夠幫助我哋去完成呢個我哋墨爾本從來未有過韻美好似雪梨呢個咁樣嘅中國花園。就喺今日慶祝澳洲國慶嘅日子，我哋墨爾本天后宮就一如好似在座好多社團粵苗寮嘅同埋華人嘅社團，我哋係承諾我哋會繼續為社區服務，繼續為澳洲，繼續為美麗嘅墨爾本去建設。祝大家有一個美麗快樂嘅澳洲日。除咗以上嘅工程，喺 Springwell 亦都有一間湄洲媽祖廟喺簡華會嘅後邊。佢個打理人係阿 Ron Lim， 但係由於阿 Ron Lim 已經年事已高，佢要退休，所以佢要求我哋天后宮派人去接管打理。我哋就好高興去幫佢打理，唔單止幫佢打理，我哋仲將嗰笪地買上嚟，而且我哋已經係入紙咗去 Dandenong 嘅 Council 申請推冧咗嗰間舊嘅湄洲媽祖廟，起一間好似 Footscray 但係細型啲嘅仿古宮廷式嘅古色古香嘅天后廟。希望我哋能夠順利完成，使到喺 Springwell 同埋東南區嘅善信 天后善信能夠比較容易啲嚟到天后廟參拜，唔需要揸1個鐘頭車去到 Footscray。Just introduce myself. My name is William Sang from Footscray Heavenly Queen Temple. We operated a huge temple complex by the Maribyrnong River, and we keep on building the whole complex. But at the same time, we are planning to do another huge project for the Chinese community and the community in general. We are planning to build another big project for the Heavenly Queen Temple in Footscray. In Sydney Starling Harbour, next to it, there is a Chinese garden, a beautiful Chinese garden called the Friendship Garden. In a few years' time, we will build another equally beautiful Chinese garden, equally big, alongside the Maribyrnong River, next to the Heavenly Complex in Footscray. There will be all the Chinese characteristics for Chinese garden, including pavilions, buildings, towers, and bridges. We're hoping to have it done within maybe 5 to 6 years' time. We will try to get some government funding. Whether we'll get it or not, definitely we will use our own donations to finish it within 5 to 6 years. Apart from the projects I mentioned, we also taken over a small Springwell temple in Albert Avenue, Springwell, and we already submitted to the Dandenong Council to have it demolished and rebuilt as traditional Chinese palace-style temple very soon. We hope to have it done within a few years. On this Australian Day celebration function, I would like to pledge and affirm that we will continue to build, and we will continue to build for Australia, build for the marvelous Melbourne, and to serve our community, the Chinese community, and the community in general, and to support the multicultural policy of the Australian government. Thank you.